Nomination at PoliTo tutorial. All you need to know. Before starting the nomination, check the requirements on the PoliTo website. From the home page, go to the Education section, then on International Students. Now click on Exchange Students and go to Admission Procedure. Now you can click on Nomination at PoliTo. At the top of the page, you can find a blue button, which opens the document with all the requirements. How to nominate a student. Select your school from the options available. Pay attention. If you are part of one of these consortiums and you nominate a student for a mobility established by the consortium, you must select this instead of your school. You will see a summary of the mobility types available according to the active agreements that your school has with PoliTo. Select the mobility type for which you want to nominate your student. Each option already specifies the length of the mobility and the PoliTo degree courses involved. Click on Add Student for proceeding with the nomination. Nomination of exchange students in a mobility for courses, and final project. In case of multiple PoliTo degree courses options, you can select it if you already know, or if you are not sure, leave the choice to the student. If you choose to select it, it has to meet the nomination requirements. Remember, late changes to nominations are not preferable. Add the student and mobility information, and click on Send. Avoid using special characters. The email address must be frequently used by the student. The duration depends on what is established by the agreement. In case of nominations for mobility for courses, and final project, it is also possible to extend or reduce the agreed duration. Useful tips. Take your time to understand all the functionalities of the tool before starting the nomination process, and make sure to have all the data of the students you wish to nominate. Please note that the correction of a submitted nomination can be done only by our office and requires specific actions that can delay the student's application process. It is possible to nominate students at different times, but don't forget to meet the deadline. You can find more information in the tutorial button in the nomination tool. If you have doubts about the tool, feel free to contact us before submitting the nomination. This is the end of our tutorial. Now you are ready to start the nomination.